There, they like you.
Grammy's favorite. Ooh. Is that an otter? Otter. You want to? You want to get him out? Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. Ooh. Whoa. Wee. Is that your friend? No, it's not Ow. Is that your friend? Oh, he's so adorable.
Cute. Look at him trying to play up.
Yeah, that's an otter. Yeah. Yeah, it's an otter. Where's he going? Oh, is he giving you kisses? Oh, yeah. Where'd he go?
Over there now.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Eli. That way. He's down there.
He went up there and gave something to that one, and then he left it.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Eli's right there. Eli. I like otters. I like otters a lot. Where is he?
Aww. There he is, there he is. That's your friend.
Oh, you want to chase him? Alright, go for it.
Did you get him? Where'd he go? Whoa. Say, come here, otter. Say, come here. Uh-oh, careful. Here he comes. There he is. What's he doing? Peekaboo. Is he playing peekaboo? What? Uh-oh. You okay? Whoa. Careful. You are determined to get up there. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yeah. There he is. Bye. Oh, where'd he go? I don't know. Let's find him. Where'd he go? Say otter. There he is. Peekaboo. I'm glad he likes otters just as much as Grammy does.
Don't chase him all the way down.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Where did he go? Is he going to go by? Oh, there he is. Look down. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh. You okay? Oh no. There he is. There he goes.
Woo!